Have you got a dirty carpet for us? Auckland Steam and Dry. We love what we do, and so will you. Reinstate the beauty of your carpets and upholstery. Treat your carpets to a hot steam bath. It's so satisfying watching the dirt and bacteria being extracted from carpets. Our carpet cleaners tend to sleep very well. Don't toy with your expensive carpets. Proper carpet cleaning is done with proprietary equipment. 84 degrees Celsius hot steam kills viruses, allergens, germs, dust mites and mould. It also removes 7 times more dirt than most can. Powerful truck-mounted carpet cleaning, quality without the compromise. Getting your carpets truck-mounted carpet cleaning is smart. Experience the comfort of the cleanest, fluffiest carpet possible. Just a quick show of what a professional carpet cleaning service like Auckland Steam and Dry can achieve. This is next level bacteria busting carpet cleaning quality. Get cleaner carpets in Auckland. Auckland Steam and Dry use the world's largest, best proprietary truck-mounted carpet cleaning equipment, which does a 7 times better job than most can. Our 84 degrees Celsius hot steam kills viruses, allergens, germs, dust mites and mould. Family owned since 1987, Auckland Steam and Dry give you the best value carpet and upholstery service in Auckland. Using only the best high-powered equipment and products, which not only are safe to use, but are specially formulated for each type of carpet to achieve the very best result. See our online 5-star reviews across various platforms. Get a properly clean carpet. Quality professional carpet cleaning. Why overpay? Call us. Phone 0800 783 266 and get booked in for the best carpet cleaning service. Auckland Steam and Dry, the professional carpet cleaning service that you can trust. You get the best possible carpet cleaning service or it's free. Call us today for a free estimation.